Hello everyone. We at IPER-UG have always strived to give our students the best academic exposure and an opportunity to live their passion through our student community events both offline and online. So let's hear it from few of our students about their experience of being an IPERian.
Hello everyone, my name is Madhu M. Nair. I am a BCom third year student. IPER-UG provided me with the incredible professors who made me fall in love with books and to top my exams without any difficulty. Parallel to all the extracurricular activities I have accomplished so far. Thank you IPER-UG for the spectacular journey.
Hello everyone, this is Samriti Rajoria from BBA second year. Like how IPER community helps, not just one, it is a wide range of communities and clubs. It gives you the platform to showcase your skills and build your enthusiasm with the favorable environment. I believe nothing could be better than being the part of all the communities. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Jay Padegaonkar, the student of BCom Honours first year. IPER-UG has always organized very exciting and amazing events for the students, which not only motivated us but also boosted our confidence as well as our enthusiasm. All the students took part actively and raised the motto of IPER, that is do more and be more.
Hello everyone, I am Anshumati Chauhan from BCom Honours first year. I am glad that my college, IPER-UG, have taken such an initiative towards the implementation of online classes. This was very new experience for each one of us to feel like a real classes in virtual classes, where undoubtedly our professors are always ready to solve our queries.
हेलो एवरीवन, आई अनामिका साहू फ्रॉम बीबीए फर्स्ट ईयर। इस पैंडेमिक के दौरान भी आईपर ने हमारे भविष्य के साथ साथ हमारी सुरक्षा और हमारे स्वास्थ्य का भी बखूबी ख्याल रखा, जैसे रेगुलर हैंड सैनिटाइजिंग, थर्मल स्क्रीनिंग और सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग। थैंक यू आईपर फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ अस।